Before you start changing a tire, there are some very important things that you need to know. We have taken the risk of damaging the rim or tire to a minimum. However, there are a few things that you need to take care of yourself each time when you change a tire. Firstly, make sure the wheel is clean. There is no dirt anywhere, which could get between the duck head, and start rubbing the coating. The second thing is inspect the duck head from the inside for any sharp edges. In case you find any, remove it with a knife, and over time you might have to replace the duck head. Also, inspect the rim for any sharp edges because this could cause damage to the duck head, which will in return damage the rim again. In case you're changing a hard sidewall tire, it is always much easier to do it when the tire is warm. So find a place where you can heat it up before you change the tire.